Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today on a Saturday at the beginning of the month. That must mean it's time for cards in the mail to me. So I've got a box full of cards over on my left-hand side and goodies and treats that I'm going to show you. But I just wanted to quickly jump on and hopefully we have got white grid paper, or as close to white as possible. I genuinely don't know what has happened to my camera. I do know that it pinked for a while and then it went lilac, and I wasn't seeing it. I can't see it on my computers, and I couldn't recreate what a few people were telling me, and they were saying, but you know, have you got pink grid paper? No, I haven't. And I was testing it on all sorts. I've got 3 monitors on my desk that are pro grade. They're set up. I was testing on my tablet, on my laptop and all sorts, and I couldn't recreate it. So I came and looked back at my settings, and one had been changed, and I don't really understand how that happened either, because my camera that's above me is a permanent location. It never gets removed. So I don't know what's happened, but fingers crossed we're back to normal. So with that said, let me show you everything that's gone on. Oh, what I will say though is that it's school summer holidays here right now, and as I film this on Friday morning, we've got our bathroom just down the corridor is being tiled at the moment, and it's a real juggle for me at the moment to film with children in the house, all of the children in the house, and obviously building work going on. So somebody did message me and said, why can't you just refilm your videos that are purple? Not actually that simple, because just finding silence in the house is impossible. So, but fingers crossed, everything is sorted now. I'm hoping that next week's videos that are filmed, and they have been filmed since I found the button change. Let's just hope everything is all good. Okay, let me show you some gorgeous cards that have come in the post to me. So this one has come from one of my girls over in Germany. So I love to see our stuff with different words on them, you know, different languages. Just, it shows me what it looks like, and I love that. And I love the peaches. I've really got used to using them now. This one is from the lovely Heather, who she's on my team. I don't recognise this, so I guess this is probably from somewhere else. And then this one, I love this. I'm going to hedge a bet from Anne. I'm going to hedge a bet that she's used blending brushes to get all of these different colours, which is gorgeous. I love it. And I missed twine. Do you know what? I've been working this week, so I haven't been filming this week. That's not happened because, you know, first full week of the summer holidays. I haven't been filming, but I have been designing some of my Christmas projects, and I kept reaching for twine and going, oh, I haven't got it anymore. I haven't got it. So this one, so this is a retired bundle. This one with the acorns from a couple of years ago, but I want to say I think it's in the clearance rack. I'm sure that the punches are in the clearance rack right now. That one's come through. Right, so this one is a box from the lovely Caroline, who has just joined my team. Now, this came through before she joined my team. And let me close it up, because there was a Terry's chocolate orange in here, and I might possibly have eaten it. And, oh, let me just pop that open. There we go. If I close that up. How fabulous is that? So this housed a Terry's chocolate orange. I love it. I love that little bit that goes in. And look at that, a gift for you. I remember that stamp set from a long time ago. Had a punch to match it, I think. But that's lovely. So that came through. And then this little treat for Luke, which I popped open and then I forgot to give it to him, so I really ought to. And in here, little part, there's a little stack of chocolate bars in there for him. So sweet. So yes, Caroline has just joined my team because it's celebration. You know, there's an amazing offer on. So I'm hoping lots more people are going to join. So thank you, Caroline. So I'm going to pop that off to one side for Luke. But yeah, I ate my chocolate orange and forgot to give him that. That's so bad, isn't it? And then I've got a couple more cards here.
This one is from Joe, and this one is from Deb. So
Deb Toner is Debsy Daisy Crafting. And if you saw one of my showcase videos, the one a few weeks ago with all the celebration products, and I went, oh no, I've forgotten to order one stamp set. I did a shout out in my team and I said, I've got spare papers and stuff. Has anybody got that particular stamp set? And Deb's came up trumps with it. So she popped her spare in the post to me, and I sent her a couple of packs of paper to say thank you. So they're lovely, aren't they? Like this detail. I like the fact that this has been fussy cut. If I just use Deb's card here, hopefully you can see on the edge. That's all those flowers have been fussy cut. Lovely dimension. Okay, I've got a few more here. And then I've got a box of goodies as well. So let me bring these out. So this one, I don't know much about this one, but I'm going to say that's been stamped and then hand coloured. Very sweet. I love a simple card. I do. And then I love this bundle. So this, I want to say it's layering squares, but I know that's not what it is. But you can die cut elements of it. You can just stamp. And there are 4 square images that you can put behind the die cut shapes. I've used it. I love it. And then this is the Sweet Symmetry set, which I think everybody's saying, yeah, the more I use it, the more I love it. So this is a gorgeous card from Vicky. Lovely Vicky on my team. And it's, do you know what? That's such a grower, but you guys are going to have to trust me. I know loads of you have gone and bought it since I shared it and shared my own feelings about it, and that like, oh, I'm not sure if I like this or not, but actually the more I use it, the more I do. You've all gone, yeah, you're right, Sam. So thank you for trusting me. And then this last one here, this was, it went round like this, and I'm pretty sure it crossed up like that, but I don't remember exactly. But very, very clever. And in there were, this is a thank you card from my lovely Glynis, who I have my sassy breeches on. I love that. And she likes to make little pockets. She says, I could not resist popping a pocket into the card. Ideal for your ladies and gents with their vouchers. Oh, yes, I sent trellis panels out as part of my thank you gifts a couple of months ago. And this is how Glynis used hers, but I love that. So there you go, team. That's an idea for you. Brilliant. And then my last one is a lovely box of goodies from my gorgeous Jenny, who sends me treats so regularly. But this box, it got brought up into my office. So I have 2 desks. Well, actually, I've got a lot of desks, but I've got a craft side where I'm sat now. And then behind me, I call it my office side. So it's where I do my office paperwork, and, you know, that's where my computer is. And I've got like an end piece of my desk, so stuff gets dumped on there that needs to be dealt with, and then as it's processed around my office, it moves to the craft side or what have you. And then this got put up on top of my address label printer, and because I don't use that very often, obviously I use it once a month, it just sat there. So Jenny, I'm really sorry, we're a belated thank you. But it means I've not given anything to the children, because I've just had a mass tidy up of my office. I seem to do that every summer holidays. I have a mass clear out of everything that's accumulated, and I went, oh, where did this appear from? So there are some little treats for my lovely boys. I love it that she remembers them. And in there are yummy sweeties. They're going to get a surprise. Oh, it's a Friday today, Treat Friday, courtesy of Jenny. So they're lovely, aren't they? So those are shaded spruce, and that's garden green. I love those. And then a card for me. And then in here, and I did peep in here, are a couple of Yankee candles. Afternoon Escape and Water Garden. How lovely. And look at the colours. They match beautifully. And then the card too, which is all layers. Look at that. Friends are the best gifts of all. So Jenny, you make me smile every day, which is what she says inside. And
these are just,
What a lovely,
lovely gift. Look at that.
beautifully coordinated.
I'm really liking this, how that's done. Oh, I do miss twine. And then obviously my big pile of cards that are all here. And then my chocolate orange and yummy treats for Luke.
Oh, he's going to get double treat Friday. So thank you, everybody who's put stuff in the post to me. I'm humbled and touched every day that something comes through. But again, I do hope that the lighting is now working. It's very hard to film something, to spend sort of 20 minutes prepping and filming and everything, and then you go, oh, when somebody doesn't like it because of your lighting. It's never intentional, it's never a deliberate thing. But thank you very much for everybody who's been so kind, and yeah, I hope it's sorted now. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Thank you to everybody who's put
goodies and treats in the post to me. You are amazing, and I love you to pieces. Bye.